Okay, imagine you own a Land Rover. Maybe you own two and it's a windy morning. You come out on the day you're about to depart and you see something like this. A little while ago I went over a big bump and lost a hubcap, and I put one of these aftermarket Brit part ones on here. They don't seal very well. There's been a bit of oil spraying around. So I'm going to come up with a solution. Now the correct solution would be to put a genuine hubcap on there. A little bit hard to find at short notice. In the past, what I've done is take boat trailer bearing caps and put a hose clamp around them, and the other Brit part one I've got here, I've put a hose clamp around it too. So we're going to do the same thing. I've got myself some different hose clamps. I've got some 40 to 64 mil ones, some 27 to 51 mil ones. I think these are the right ones. We're going to pop them out of the packet and have a look. Now these are the smaller ones. Looks like they're about right. I'll open them up just a tiny bit, and that'll do good without a big flap hanging off them. And we might do the other one just for safety. Now of course, because I'm lazy and I don't want to go and find my socket set, we are dropping back to the 1800s with a slotted screw head here. Okay, always tricky camera angles here when you've got to do things on your own. But we will loosen up a couple of turns. Slots on nicely, we'll find an angle that works for us. Push it up nice and firm against that lip, and give it a reasonably firm but not over tight bit of tension on there. Alright, so it turns out this hose clamp had a slight taper to it, so I flipped it around the other side. Hopefully that keeps it on there. I'm going to tackle this one, even though this is a genuine one. This is more rubbery. The other one is very stiff, and I think that's some of the problem. We're going to put one on this just in case, and when we're closer to the city we're going to find a Land Rover dealer that might have hubcaps. In case you are ever looking to replace a one of these thingies, the size is written on them. This is a 27 to 51 mil.